Today we are here at the Jeep Adventure Weekend where we're going to take a lot of these cars ranging from the Jeep Rubicon all the way to the Sahara to all the different cars that you can see all parked across over there. We've got all the off-road specialists over here, so they're going to teach us how to drive off-road, and we're going to be doing some dunes, we're going to be doing some Wadis and a lot more for this action-packed weekend. Hey guys, so we've just reached at the location, which is a desert, and we're just getting started with everything. The cars are here. We're going to deflate all of those down to about 20 psi. So you've got the keys and you've got to basically put it onto the wheel and hold for about 90 seconds, and that's going to deflate it down to about 90 psi, which is what we're looking at. And let's take it from there. You know, it's going to be a fun one when you hear the sound. So we're just getting started. I've got my car in 4-wheel high, low pressure tire, and we're just moving in. So now here's where things are going to get very interesting. We're just entering the Wadis, and obviously, as you know, when you enter the Wadi, it's going to be very dusty. There are going to be a lot of rocks. There's going to be some amount of water as well, as we're being told. So as we're just entering in over here, let me show you what this looks like, and then let's see what this car can do. All the cars we're driving today are stock. None of them are modified in any way, shape or form. So this really does give you a very nice experience of understanding what these cars can do. And thanks to the guided instructions that we're getting as we go along over the walkie-talkie, we know exactly what we're doing. We know what to expect next. And we're all going in a single file convoy, so we can see what the car in front of us is doing. And that really helps us to know what exactly we need to be doing, which gears we need to be in, etc. So stay along and have fun.